Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. I just came home from work and I decided that I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys quickly. Now, in the past couple of months, I gave my Blue Magic hair grease a break because I wanted to try different products and, you know, give my hair a break with the hair grease, because I feel like sometimes when you use something continuously, I feel like your hair or my hair doesn't respond to it the way it originally did, and maybe it's because my hair's gotten used to it, or maybe it's me, I'm bored with the product, so I want to try new things. So that's what I've been doing, right? So in my break from using Blue Magic, I went back to the, what is that, the lock method? Liquid oil cream, where I would use a leave-in or a liquid product in my hair, and then I would seal it with my oil and then go back with the styling product finally to do my twist or bantu knot. So as my moisturizer lately, I've been using the TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food moisturizer, and I love this stuff. My hair absolutely loves this TGIN moisturizer. It works well with my strand. It helps me also detangle this moisturizer. And then I would go in with the melanin, I love this oil, melanin multi-use pure oil blend to seal that moisture into my hair. Love this oil, and I also like the smell. And then as my styling product, I would use the melanin twist elongating style cream. And another reason why I gave my Blue Magic a break is because I ran out and I didn't feel like going to the beauty supply store to get more. So I was like, it was a perfect opportunity to go back to what I used to do, just to see and give also you guys some options. A lot of my subscribers, a lot of you viewers don't really like Blue Magic hair grease or like any type of hair grease in their hair. So I like to try different options so that I can give myself a break from Blue Magic hair grease or any hair grease, and give you also other options that you can use on 4C, 4B hair, type 4 hair. So I decided to go back to my beauty supply store and pick up another container of Blue Magic hair grease, and I've been using this, y'all. Yeah, let me tell you something. There's no competition. There's no competition, all right? I love all of my other natural hair products. You guys know TGIN, Melanin Hair Care, Shea Moisture sometimes, Aunt Jackie's hair product. Who else do I love? Cantu. Oh my God, I love Carol's Daughter. Like this, what is this? The cocoa cream, their cocoa cream line smells so good. And my hair loves this stuff too. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so delicious. It smells so good. I love Carol's Daughter hair products, you know what I mean? And all of these products work well in my hair. But nothing tops Blue Magic, y'all. This is just literally like magic in my hair. It does. All right, you know what I think I like the most about Blue Magic, how it compares to my other products, is that when I use Blue Magic, I don't have to spend so much time using so many different products like the LCO method or the lock method. You have to use this and this and this to get the results. I feel like with the Blue Magic, all you pretty much need is water and the hair grease, or a moisturizer and the hair grease. It's not time consuming, you don't have to do too much, you know what I mean? And of course with our natural hair, we do have to take our time and show it some tender love and care. It does take time, but sometimes you just do not have the time, and sometimes literally you get frustrated with, you know, all of these different products that you have to use to get an end result. I'm not always there. Sometimes I have the patience for it, you know what I mean? I find that sometimes I can spend a lot of time in my hair and just making sure that's when I'm in the mood, that's when I really want to. But then I have other times I just do not have the patience, and when I don't have the patience and I don't want my hair to dry out and I want my hair to thrive, Blue Magic hair grease. So yeah, for people who ask, well, are you still using Blue Magic hair grease? The answer is yes, of course, yes. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop using Blue Magic hair grease or hair grease in general. I just took a little break just to, you know, try out little products here and there. But ultimately, if I were to go to an island somewhere and I could only bring one product, they say, well, dear, you can only bring one product for your hair, it would be my Blue Magic. Okay, because I already know the island is gonna rain. I'm gonna get moisture somehow. I'm gonna get water or wherever somewhere, so I could always apply water, and then I'll seal it. I'll go ahead and do that. But how would I wash my hair? Okay, if they say I would need two products, one shampoo and one styling product, it would be, wait, what about deep conditioner? Okay, one shampoo. Okay, I went to an island. They say, okay, you get one shampoo, one deep conditioner, and one styling product. There we go. Shampoo, whatever deep conditioner that I'm loving at the time I would bring. And then styling product is this, because I get it seals that moisture in my hair, and it's, you know what, it's like 2 in 1. It seals the moisture in my hair, and it's also like my styling product. Now a lot of people do like styling products that give you an extra hold. You're not gonna get an extra hold with Blue Magic. You're not gonna get that hold, that crunchy hold. You know what I'm talking about, when you use like a gel or something for your twist outs. You're not gonna get that, but what you will get is soft, manageable, fluffy, beautiful hair. I don't know how else to explain it. And my hairstyles, when I use the Blue Magic, last a lot longer than when I use my other natural hair styling products. Yeah, so my hair is in this style right now, so you can't really see how soft or feel how soft it is, but it really is soft. And my hair has been in this style for what, about a week now, and I have not had to go back in and re-moisturize or anything, because I don't have to. Like, it's literally soft, like pillow soft right now. And yeah, just Blue Magic just does it for me, y'all. I think it's always gonna do it for me. So yeah, I just want to quickly come on here and share that with you. I literally just got home from work, tired. I'm looking crazy. If I'm looking crazy, sorry. My eyeliner's all runny, but whatever. I just had to come on here and share this with you guys real quick. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I will be having more styling videos, of course, with my good old Blue Magic hair grease, and also I'm gonna be protective styling soon. It's time to protective style, y'all. That's another video, how I know it's time to protective style. I'll have that coming up for you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.